Welcome little artists at Kiddo Colors. Today we will draw and paint a beautiful and colorful potted plant with what we can. Are you ready? Let's start. First take your pencil and draw a circle. Now we will draw petals of the flower. Now we will draw a smiley mouth with eyes. Now we will draw two curved lines. Now we will draw a leaf. Now we will draw a flower pot. Now let's draw the watering can. On one side of the plant, draw a rectangle for the body. Then an handle like a big letter C. And a spout like a long triangle. Draw little dots or circles to show water can come out. Now we will draw water drops. Amazing kids, our image is completed. Now it's time for coloring. We will use red marker color. Now we will use green color. We will use pink color. We will use orange color. We will use light orange color. Here we will use sky blue color. We will use green color. We will use pink color. We will use orange color. We will use blue color. We will use yellow color. Here we will use dark green color. Here we will use green color. We will use purple color. Here we will use yellow marker color. Now we will use sky blue color. Now we will use brown paint color. Finally, we will use red paint color. Well done, kids! Our painting is completed. Thank you for drawing with me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun art.